Welcome to Studio Biology. In this video, we are going to discuss the morphology of earthworm. Earthworm is cylindrically elongated, bilaterally symmetrical, and metamerically segmented. This metamerism results in formation of about 100 to 120 segments. These segments are also known as somites or metameres. The color of earthworm is brown or clay colored. This color is because of a pigment known as porphyrin. This is scattered in circular muscle layer of body wall. The dorsal surface of earthworm is darker than ventral. This porphyrin pigment prevents the earthworm from bright light. Dimensions of earthworm. The length is up to 15 centimeter and the width is between 3 to 5 millimeter. The first segment of earthworm is known as peristomium. This is the first segment, and an overhanging fleshy appendage that protects the mouth is known as prostomium. So the earthworm is having peristomium as the first segment and prostomium as a fleshy lobe. Prostomium. It is a fleshy outgrowth overhanging in front of first segment, and that first segment is peristomium. It is wedge shaped and helps in burrowing. It opens the cracks in the soil so that the earthworm can move and make way through the soil. So this is the Prostomium. Now the Peristomium. Peri means around, stoma means mouth, that is encircling or surrounding the mouth. So this is the first segment of earthworm. It is also known as buccal segment. It possesses mouth. Now anus is also there in the last segment. So anus is in last segment. Earthworm represents a tube within tube plan, and mouth is in the first segment, that is peristomium, and anus is in the last segment. Now this discrete structure is clitellum. We can observe the clitellum in earthworm here. This is clitellum. Now what is clitellum? Clitellum is thickened and glandular part of earthworm, which secretes cocoon. Now this is found in 14th, 15th and 16th segments of body constitute the clitellum that secretes cocoon. On the basis of clitellum, body can be clearly or distinctly divided into three regions. So body divisions on the basis of clitellum. First one is preclitellar region. Second is clitellar region, and third one is postclitellar region. The preclitellar region constitutes first to 13th segment. Clitellar region 14th, 15th and 16th segments, while 17th segment and onwards up to the anus or last segment of the body constitute the postclitellar regions. Next is setae. Setae are S-shaped structures made up of chitin. So S-shaped chitinous structures which are embedded in the epidermal pits known as setal sacs in middle of each segment. except first clitellar and last segments. So except these three segments, all segments are having the S-shaped chitinous structure protruding out of the body wall in the middle of each segment. This arrangement is known as periketine arrangement. Cetal sacs has special muscles that move the setae in and out, forward and backward. The setae are having three parts. First one is neck, middle one is dilated part nodule, and the third one is base. The base is basically embedded in the cetal sac, and the neck part is the protruded part, which can be visible from outside if keenly observed. So this is a neck or protruded part of the setae coming out of the body wall. This arrangement is known as periketine arrangement, which can be easily observed. These are the setae coming out in the periketine manner. Next, setae are renewed if lost. So these are the few points of discussions about the morphology of earthworm. In next video, we'll discuss the various pores and apertures in the body of earthworm. Thanks for watching this video.